See, it's clear for the next people who wants to go up. See, Lalo, I cleared this one for the next people who wants to come here.
Not bad idea.
Huh?
Good idea.
Oh, it's clear now. Pedro!
Not bad.
Your ETT.
Huh?
Your ETT.
What?
Edmund Trail Tender.
When I clear the rest, huh? If there's like a trace.
Remember that time when we were in Creek 1?
Yeah.
With Davey a long time ago. And he was stacking all those rocks.
Huh?
I said, I hope he's getting better.
I know.
You put the video from this spot right here, you put where it is. Follow Carnegie, Trail 7. People don't know where we are right now.
Oh yeah.
Because I just watched the video. I know where it is.
I put the video. There's straight 7.
Nothing about where it is.
There is no.
Trail 7 in Carnegie.
Oh, okay. I'll let them know.
Have you ever seen that guy's video? It's Anderson 42.
Yeah.
He was in here like about a week ago or something.
Lalo.
Yeah.
Remove this one.
Huh?
This one. Here.
Para renovar, Too high.
I could get to this. Remove that big log back there.
Huh? So that.
Came around, I seen that pipe and I was like, oh shit, but it was easy to get over that. He had too much air in his back tire, too. Watch out.
Huh?
A bunch of air on his back tire. Have you seen that? That video in the back that's like bolt around on the rim?
Keep climbing it. And here on the rock.
Where's that at?
It's not gonna work.
There's like 8 of them.
Yeah.
And then you put like a half moose in there with it.
You think then I'm gonna work here in the rock?
Yeah. Yeah, you'd be right whacking the rim. How much PSI do you ride in your back?
Like 8.
I got like 6 in mine.
You got tubeless?
No, I
I
got
got
a
regular.
But I got a heavy duty tube, a Bridgestone tube
Oh.
in it. Because my other 300, I ran 6 in it, like at Forest Hill and everything, for like about 2 years. Yeah, a heavy duty tube, and I never ever got a flat, so I don't know if I go to 5, I probably will, but.
Okay, Lalo.
Okay. Amen.